Hi, this is Marco Williams, Head of Developer Tools here at PlayFab, and today I want to go over our new Git Hub add-on in our MarketPlace. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and sign into Game Manager. So log in, I have a demo account, I'm going to click log in, and I've already created a test title specifically for GitHub testing. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that. So add-ons, this is our new marketplace tab, and if I click on there and browse down, you can see under content management, GitHub is there. And so I'm going to click on that. Now GitHub wants us to authorize PlayFab so that you can have access to the repositories. So I'm going to click on authorize GitHub account. This will bring up the permissions and authorization. So you'll notice here that we're giving full access to the profile so that we can get your user, the owner of the repositories, the repository hooks and services, and access to the public and private repositories. So it's probably good practice to have a special GitHub account that has access to only the repositories that you want to work with PlayFab. So I'm going to go ahead and authorize the application. This is going to redirect us back to Game Manager, and here you can see we have a list of repositories that we have access to. I'm going to click the PlayFab CloudScript files because I've already set that up. So if I click Save Settings, this is going to show me that GitHub is now installed. And what this did was, if I flip over to the repository, this is the repository I set it up to, and I click on Settings and Webhook and Services, you're going to see it registered a webhook into this repository. And so to use this, if I flip over to Servers, you're also going to see that revisions managed via GitHub here, and this also links directly to your repository, so that's an easy shortcut. And here we have one revision. This is the default CloudScript, and we're going to add to it using a repository. So I'm going to open up my file. Actually, before I do that, let's take a look here. I have two files in here. We now support multiple files, and what happens is that as long as any JavaScript files that are in the root of this repository, it's going to take all of those files and combine them into a single file and upload that as a new revision. So here I have two files. One has the basic default stuff that that is in revision 1, and then I also created a new file, a helpers class that will give us some extra functionality, and that's what I'm going to go ahead and edit right now. So I'm just going to do, there's a typo in here, so test hello world new video tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. And if we flip over to Game Manager, you're going to see that doesn't exist yet. So let's go ahead and upload our revision. So I'm using Git Extensions, which is a free tool for managing your repositories. I've staged it. Now I'm going to give a commit message, test GitHub with CloudScript, and I'm going to go ahead and push that. Click OK, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page here, and you're going to see that our new update has been posted instantly with revision 2, and this has already been set live. You can still click on revision 1 and deploy the old version, so it still supports the full rollback functionality. And if we wanted to, let's say, not use GitHub anymore, we can go back into the add-ons tab. We can scroll into our add-on, and there's a remove button here. And so if I click remove, it has now removed and uninstalled GitHub add-on. And if I click over into my CloudScript and go to settings, webhooks and services, you'll see that the webhook has been removed. In addition, I can click on servers, and under the CloudScript tab still, it's reverted the interface back to the old version, where you can, create a new manual revision here, or still have the management, but it retained the old versions that you have already uploaded through the repository. So complete control is still in the hands of the developer, and that is our CloudScript integration in our new marketplace. We're very excited to hear your feedback and your wants and needs, and more add-ons that you'd like to see in the marketplace. So feel free to reach out to us, and thanks for watching our tutorial.